Today's 2-minute tech tip is a question from a teacher on how can I share a Google Doc but keep my students from copying and pasting it into their own. So here I am in my Google Drive and I have two different tests. I have shared both of these tests with a separate account, so I'm going to go over here. Now in this first one called test, I can highlight this, copy, and I can go over here and see if I can paste it, and it pastes, okay? But if I go to the second one, copy of a test, let's see, copy and paste, it's only pasting what was already on my clipboard, which was from this. So if I do this, highlight again, copy, you see this is coming up here. Options to download, print, and copy have been disabled on this file. So students aren't able to copy that, even though I'm doing the Control C and I'm copying, oops, and I'm going back over to this other and I'm trying to paste. I'm still just pasting the first thing that I copied. So it's not adding anything new to my clipboard. Now how did I do that? The way to do that is when you go into the sharing files for this, or the sharing properties for this. If you go to advanced, you see these two boxes down here at the bottom. One prevents those students from adding any new people or changing any access, but the second one disables the option to download, print, or copy from any commenters or viewers. This one is just strictly for editors, so if you've shared this with another teacher but you don't want them to be able to add new teachers, that would be the first one to check. This one is going to keep any students from being able to copy, download, or print. And if those two are not checked, or if that one is not checked, then they will be able to copy and print what you've shared with them into a new document. So I hope you find this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.